Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a Tree Reviews, and today we are unboxing the Motherhood Survival Box. This is a subscription box for moms. The packages contain items that are like supposed to, make you feel good and happy and, get you through the day, because we all need that sometimes, like today. This is a top-down. I just didn't feel like getting dressed today. I've been in my pajamas all day, and so I'm gonna do one of these videos. The box is really pretty. These are, I believe this is the mini, which is $24.95 a month. It has 1 to 3 items, and then there is a larger box, the full size, which contains 4 to 6 items, I believe, and that is $49.95 monthly. It is a really pretty box, and it does have a fragile, hold on, I'm doing this one-handed. So it does say it's fragile here. Oops, yikes, that's smart of me. All right, so here it says, thank you. And then I will obviously link down below to Motherhood Survival so you can check them out. I will also link to my full review if you're interested in that, so you can check that out. I'm sorry if this is shaky. I feel so bad. All right, so it looks like the theme is hygge. If you're not familiar with that concept, it's a Swedish term for like cozy. And so this is going to list all the items that are included in our box. There's something on the back. There's a little print here. It says, hello, fall. Hello, fall. You can color that in if you want or leave it blank. Meet the women. So these are each of the women that are included in this box are small businesses. All right, so here we go. Oh wait, is this, I guess this is the mini. It looks like it has 4 items though. Maybe it's the full sized. I'll have to double check and let you guys know. All right, so first we have this cute pair of socks, and these are definitely the definition of hygge. They have a really cool design. The color's super fall-like. The colors are pretty. I can never have enough socks, and to be honest, I don't have a lot of women's socks. I have men's socks that are like comfy, so it's nice to have a pair that are girls. All right, we'll look at the card then to see where each of these items comes from as well. Coffee made by moms for moms, and there's a coupon code there. There's brewing tips, so I'm guessing there's, oh, this is just, oh, you guys know my favorite color. It's orange. I do not have an orange mug. And this is one of those like camp style mugs. So I cannot wait to use this. My husband is not going to be thrilled, but that's not any of his business anyway, because he says I have too many mugs. I do not. I only have like 30. Gosh, what's wrong with him? All right, then we've got little chocolates. Is this Lindor or Lindt? This is Lindt Lindor. What's the difference? I don't know. Anyway, they're delicious. I can't eat them, but I'll probably eat it anyway. All right, moving on. All right, we have Pumpkin Everything Whipped Body Cream. This is from, oh, I know this company. Parlo. Yes, Parlo Cosmetics. I have quite a number of items from them. I really like them. It's all natural stuff. So this is a body cream. I am not a big lotion person, but I do enjoy the whipped ones just because they feel so good going on. And I can't wait to try this one out. All right. So next, this has to be the full-size box because it has, look at all this stuff in it. All right, so this is the coffee I think that they're talking about on the card. So this is Damn You Pumpkin Spice Limited Edition Fall Roast from Mama Java Ground Coffee. So this is a 2-ounce bag. I can actually smell this. It smells really good. All right. Here's little candles. Apple cider donut. Oh, this is from A to Z Candles. Apple cider donut. This is a 1-ounce soy candle. It's artisanal and it's vegan. But there's another one I think I saw in here. This is Pumpkin Patch from A to Z Candles. Look at these little jars. Aren't they adorable? I love it. All right, I think that is everything. Yes, that's everything. Let's look at our little insert here. All right, so we've got the Mama Java coffee, the A to Z Candles, Hello Fall print from Goldie Letter Company, the Pumpkin Spice mug from Jenna Cast, and then the whipped butter from Parlo Cosmetics. I don't know where the socks are from. Do we see the socks on there? I don't see them. Anyway, I'll do a little more research and let you guys know in the full review. If you're interested in checking that out, I will link to that below. I love this box. Let me know what you guys think. I think for the price, there's a lot of really good fun items. I love these socks, but I especially love this orange mug. It's my favorite thing ever. So if you're interested in the review, check that out, and also check out Motherhood Survival Box. I will link to them below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!